So you're considering getting a credit card, but with so many options out there, it is easy to feel overwhelmed. Do I go for the rewards, the low interest, or something fancy with a shiny intro offer? Today I'll break it down so you can pick confidently what credit card works best for you. When choosing a credit card, there are several options to take into consideration to ensure the card fits your financial needs. Let's start with not so fun but super important part, APR, aka annual percentage rate. The higher the APR, the more interest you'll pay. Now APR varies and there are a couple of different flavors to consider. Ever see those cards that offer 0% interest for the first year or so? Sounds awesome, right? It is, but once that 0% offer ends, you'll be hit with the regular APR and it can be higher than expected. A fixed APR stays the same all of the time, while variable APR can fluctuate based on the market. So if the economy changes, so might your rate. Just like gas prices, one day it's low, another day you're thinking that road trip. If you plan to carry a balance or have a balance from an existing card to transfer, a card's interest rate is of high importance. But if you pay off your card in full each month, APR doesn't matter at all. That's right, no interest for you. Next up, let's talk fees. Credit card companies love to sneak in extra charges, so pay attention to this. Some cards charge you just to keep the card open. Typically, the higher the annual fee, the more perks and benefits you'll receive to justify paying the high cost. But make sure the rewards outweigh the cost, otherwise there are plenty of good no-fee options. Some cards charge you extra for every purchase made outside the country. Unless, of course, you enjoy the thrill of surprise charges. If you travel internationally often, choose the card that has no foreign transaction fees. Life happens, and sometimes we forgot to pay on time. Just know that missing a payment could lead to late fees. If you are thinking of transferring a balance from another card, check if there is a transfer fee, which is typically a percentage of the amount transferred. By the way, credit cards aren't all bad. Some give you rewards for spending. Cards with cashback give you a percentage back on what you spend, usually between 1 and 5%, depending on where you're shopping. If you're a jet setter or want to be, cards that offer travel rewards might be your best bet. Cards like those offered by airlines or hotels provide miles and points that can be redeemed later for flights or stays. Some cards give higher rewards on certain categories that change each quarter, like groceries in spring or gas in summer. Just remember to activate them in time. Consider how easy it is to redeem your rewards. Some cards have complex redemption systems, while others allow simple cashback options or transfer to partners like airlines. Check whether the rewards you earn expire after a certain period or if they remain valid if your account is active. And before deciding what credit card you should get, it is important to check your credit score first. Why? Because the strength of your credit score could potentially reduce or expand your options. Check what credit score range the card requires. Some cards are designed for those with excellent credit, while others are catered to individuals with a lower score or are specifically for building the credit. Applying for cards that are out of your range can lead to rejection, and that can hurt your score. By the way, if you want to know how to boost your credit score fast, watch this video next. Many credit cards offer attractive welcome bonuses to lure in new customers, but before jumping in, it is important to evaluate the details carefully. To qualify for the bonus, you typically need to spend a specified amount of money within a certain time frame. Determine how much you can reasonably charge to a credit card each month. You'll want to target the best and highest bonus you can qualify based on your purchasing style. Spending $3,000 in 3 months for that bonus sounds fun until you realize that it's out of your budget. Be smart and make sure it aligns with your spending habits. Welcome offers can be in the form of travel rewards or cashback. Either option is beneficial, but make sure the welcome bonus is something you can easily earn and in your preferred rewards form. Many cards offer introductory period where the interest is not charged on balance transfers or new purchases, typically for 6 to 18 months. Perfect for those large purchases or balance transfers. Just make sure you know when the interest kicks back in. When choosing a credit card, the credit limit is an important factor to consider. A card with higher limit can give you more flexibility while also helping your score as long as you manage it responsibly. Make sure the card's credit limit fits your spending habits. If you tend to make larger purchases, you might want to have a card with a higher limit to avoid maxing it out. Unless, of course, you enjoy the thrill of living on the edge. Some cards offer a flexible spending limit for bigger purchases, but keep in mind that these may come with a stricter repayment terms. Always check if the card allows for spending above the limit and under what conditions. Some cards may start with a lower limit but offer the potential to credit limit increase based on your responsible usage. If you plan to build your credit over time, look for cards that reward a good behavior with higher limits. Now, credit cards come with some valuable perks and protections that can make a big difference. Some cards offer purchase protection, which covers your items against theft, damage, or loss for a certain period after making a purchase. This is a great perk for peace of mind, especially for inexpensive buys. If you are a frequent traveler, check for cards that offer travel insurance perks, like trip cancellation coverage, lost luggage reimbursement, or rental car insurance. Just think, no more crying over missed flights or lost bags. Most cards offer zero liability policies, meaning you won't be responsible for any unauthorized purchases if your card is lost or stolen. Look for cards with quick fraud detection and resolution processes for added security, because nobody wants to be the person who loses their wallet at the beach. Again, if you are carrying balance on another credit card, choosing a card with good balance transfer options can help you save money on interest. While 0% APR sounds great, most cards charge a balance transfer fee, which is typically 3 to 5% of the amount transferred. Just ensure that the fee doesn't outweigh the interest savings. Be mindful of any time restrictions for transferring a balance at the promotional rate, as you may need to do so within the 60 days of opening the account to qualify. Also check if the card limits the amount you can transfer, as it may not cover all of your existing balance. When choosing a credit card, don't overlook the importance of customer service and support. You want a card issuer that's easy to work with when things don't go as planned. Look for credit card issuers that offer 24/7 customer support, especially if you travel frequently or need assistance outside the business hours. After all, you don't want to call at midnight only to hear a robotic voice saying, "Please hold," indefinitely. Make sure a card issuer offers a good app experience and easy access to your account details that can make tracking your spend and paying bills and handling disputes a breeze. Some issuers are known for excellent customer service, while others can be frustrating to deal with. It is a good idea to check customer reviews or ratings to see how a company handles issues like fraud alerts, disputes, or card replacements. If you are traveling abroad or face an emergency, having a card that offers a global assistance for lost or stolen cards can be a lifesaver. Some issuers even offer expedited card replacements or cash advances if you find yourself in a pinch. In today's digital age, security features on your credit card are more important than ever. Look for cards that provide real-time fraud alerts. This feature notifies you immediately of suspicious activity, allowing you to act swiftly if your card information is compromised. Some issuers offer virtual card numbers for online shopping, adding an extra layer of security. These temporary numbers can help protect your actual credit card details from potential hackers during online transactions. Check if issuer allows you to temporarily freeze your card if it goes missing or if you suspect fraudulent activity. This feature can prevent unauthorized transactions until you locate your card or receive a replacement. Look for cards that utilize enhanced encryption technology for both online and in-store purchases. This ensures your personal information remains secure during transactions. If you are planning to travel internationally, it is crucial to consider how your credit card will perform abroad. Make sure your card is widely accepted internationally, so check which networks are popular in your travel destinations to avoid issues while making a purchase. Some merchants may offer to convert your purchase into your home currency at the point of sale. While this might seem convenient, it often comes with unfavorable exchange rates and extra fees. It's usually better to pay in the local currency to avoid additional costs. If you're looking to improve or establish your credit score, consider credit building features offered by various credit cards. Many credit cards now provide access to your credit score as a built-in feature. This allows you to monitor your progress over time, understanding how your spending habits affect your score, and make informed decisions decisions about your credit usage. Some cards reward responsible behavior with automatic credit limit increases after a period of timely payments. This not only encourages good habits but also help improve your credit utilization ratio, which is beneficial for your credit score. Look for cards that offer payment reminders or alerts, because staying on top of your due dates is crucial for building your credit. If you're just starting out or rebuilding credit, consider a secured credit card. These cards require a cash deposit that serves as your credit limit, allowing you to demonstrate responsible usage without the risk of overspending. And some issuers provide you educational materials or tools to help you understand credit management better. Choosing the right card is just the beginning. If you are trying to establish credit, pay your bill in full each month and don't overuse your available credit. Stick to your debt payoff plan if you snagged a 0% APR deal. And if you are trying to rack up rewards, use a card for everyday purchases. Just remember to pay your balance in full each month. Now, thank you for watching this video. If you find yourself a person who wants to stay financially educated, subscribe to this channel. And in the next video, we'll talk more on how to use your credit card to build your score.